Can pop-up drink stands sell sparkling boba drinks? Yes, a pop-up drink stand can sell sparkling boba drinks if it follows local permits, food safety rules, and safe drink preparation practices. A sparkling boba drink usually combines carbonated water, flavored syrup, ice, and either chewy tapioca pearls or juice-filled popping boba. The stand may use bottled sparkling water, a soda dispenser, or a small approved carbonation machine. Tapioca pearls should be cooked separately because carbonation does not cook them and can make their texture unpleasant. Popping boba can work especially well because its thin outer shell bursts when someone bites it, but strong shaking can break the shells. Add the boba near the end, then pour in the sparkling drink slowly so the cup does not foam over. A wide straw is important because regular straws can clog when customers try to drink the pearls. One detail many sellers miss is that cold liquid holds carbon dioxide better, so chilled ingredients usually create less foaming and stay fizzy longer. Before opening, check whether your location requires a temporary food permit, a food safety certificate, approved water, hand washing equipment, and rules for keeping cooked pearls at a safe temperature. Test each recipe in advance, write down the ingredient amounts, and clearly tell customers if the drink contains allergens or must be consumed. A common mistake is preparing tapioca pearls too far ahead, which makes them hard or mushy. So cook smaller batches and follow the storage time required by your local health department. Another mistake is sealing a freshly mixed carbonated drink in a tightly closed container, which can build pressure and leak or burst, so use approved containers and leave room at the top. Some sellers also assume every kind of boba works with carbonation, but large pearls may clog straws and popping boba may split, so test the exact combination before selling it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.